Alright, let's look at this kit that I bought. First thing is, you take this guy off, and then you have the headlight basically there. The first step is give it a rinse, so I'll do that. And that should be it. The next step is obviously to put the tape around it. Just one sec. Alright, so what I've done is I have taped surrounding areas a bit. That's what they said, obviously for scratches and stuff. And then the first item I recommend is using the P800, the more rougher one. You attach it to this, but before that, let's just put some water on it. And then, alright, after that I'm going to use the P1200, attach it there. I've wetted it already. I'll give it another. Alright, then the last one, I'm going to attach it to, sorry, yeah, this is apparently the finest one. So, alright, so that's after the 3 sandpapers I've put on, rubbed it with. So now we're going to prepare it for the polishing, and let's see how that's going to go. Alright, so we're going to do the polishing now. I've put it onto a battery drill just to make things a little bit easier. So I'm thinking of putting it like, oh, this is quite how did they expect us to do this? I didn't realize it's so liquidy. So let's see if we first put it on. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so that's. I'm going to use a drill and just see if I can polish it a bit. Alright, so after polishing it, I've managed to get that result. Now I don't know, you can be the judge. It's kind of, I also did this while I did the headlight. If you compare it with the one that I haven't done yet, so we just go over there, you might see that could be there'll be a difference, but you'll be the judge. I'll be doing this one as well, and let's see what comes out of that. Alright, I've done the same on this one. I'm not sure, I'm trying to find out if it's, well, you'll be the judge. I'm gonna put it in like that, and then the other one is first one I've done, and yeah, this is yeah. Well, there we go. That's basically restoring the headlights. I'm sure it looks better than what it used to be, but you let me know if you. But thanks for watching.